Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange. As we weave through the fabric of our modern lives, let's pause to acknowledge the preservation of historical sites. These landmarks are not mere relics. They are vital narratives that define our collective identity and heritage. The preservation of historical sites serves as an educational resource. Each structure is a tangible classroom, imparting lessons about our ancestors' ingenuity, culture, and values. Studies show that students who engage with history in a tangible way develop a deeper understanding and appreciation for the past. Additionally, these sites contribute significantly to local economies through tourism. Preserving them not only honors our history but also promotes sustainable economic growth. According to UNESCO, cultural heritage sites attract millions of visitors each year, supporting local businesses and jobs. In safeguarding these treasures, we maintain a connection to our past, enrich our present, and invest in our future. The influence of social media on public opinion is both profound and unprecedented. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook have transformed the landscape of communication, becoming the modern-day town squares where opinions are formed and voiced. First, social media breaks down barriers to information dissemination. It allows for the rapid spread of information, enabling anyone with an internet connection to stay updated on global events. This democratization of information empowers individuals, but it also requires a critical eye to navigate the vast sea of content and distinguish between fact and fiction. Second, social media has a unique power to mobilize. It can unite individuals around causes, as seen in movements like #MeToo, which gained momentum through viral social media campaigns, highlighting issues that may otherwise receive limited attention in traditional media outlets. As we engage with social media, let's be mindful of its power to shape our perceptions and the importance of fostering.
As we stand at the intersection of ecology and economy, we unveil the concept of green economics. This is the idea that economic growth and environmental integrity are not mutually exclusive, but instead, they can flourish together. Green economics calls for investment in renewable energy, which not only helps in mitigating climate change but also propels technological innovation and job creation in new sectors. Additionally, green economics emphasizes the value of natural capital. By accounting for the economic contributions of healthy ecosystems, such as clean air and water, we pave the way for policies that promote conservation as a cornerstone for sustainable development. Let's reimagine our economy as a garden where what we sow today dictates the vitality of our tomorrow.
As we gather here today, let's reflect on the intricate symphony of life that is biodiversity. This variety of life forms the foundation of the ecosystems upon which we all depend. Biodiversity is not merely an assortment of flora and fauna. It's the cornerstone of the services nature provides, from clean air and water to fertile soil and pollination, all critical for our survival and well-being. Additionally, biodiversity is a rich tapestry that supports economic prosperity. The variety of species and their interactions drive ecotourism and sustain traditional industries such as fishing and agriculture. The genetic diversity within wild species is also a reservoir for improving crop resilience and medicinal discoveries. As we forge our paths, let's recognize the role we play in this balance. Our actions can either contribute to the harmony or disrupt the melody. It is our collective responsibility to conserve and sustainably manage our natural resources, ensuring this symphony continues for generations to come.